हरे कृष्णा। परिवर्तनी एकादशी, पश्वा एकादशी, वामना एकादशी या जयंती एकादशी। परिवर्तनी एकादशी known as Vamna Ekadashi and Pashwa Parivartani Ekadashi. It is always celebrated on the 11th day of the bright half of the Hindu month Bhadrapad. As per belief, on this day, Lord Vishnu turns from one side to another while reclining over Adishasha, and this reclination is known as Parivartan. Hence, the name of this Ekadashi is Parivartani Ekadashi. Pashwa Ekadashi is one of those Ekadashi Vrat that fall under the time period of Chaturya Mas. Further, the name Vamna Ekadashi is given because of the fact that Lord Vishnu took the avatar of Vamna on this day and had sent Mahabali to Patal Lok, nether world. As per the ancient belief, one who observes fast on this day gets rid of all sins. Legend behind Parivartani Ekadashi. The legend behind Parivartani Ekadashi has been described in Brahma Vivarta Puran as the conversation between Lord Krishna and Yudhishthira. In Treta Yuga, there lived a great demon king by the name of Bali. Though he was a demon, but he was rightful, virtuous, kind, and ruled his kingdom as per dharma. He was very powerful and conquered all the world. King Bali plans to perform the Ashmedha Yagna and starts the preparation for the same. Here Lord Indra is worried that if Bali finishes the yagna, he would lose his throne and Bali would rule. He goes to Lord Vishnu for help. Lord Vishnu expresses his inability to kill a righteous king even though he is a demon. Lord Indra and other gods along with sage try to explain their anguish as to why Bali cannot become the Indra. Lord Vishnu sympathizes with the gods and agrees to stop Bali but will not kill Bali. Lord Vishnu takes the form of a Brahmin boy who is called as Vamna and reaches the place where King Bali is performing the Ashmedh Yagna. King Bali, as a part of the yagna, is donating generously to all the Brahmins. When the turn of Vamna comes, Vamna asks Bali to donate 3 steps which would be measured with Vamna's feet. King Bali looks at the small feet and personality of Vaman and advises him to take acres of land or riches. Vamna refuses and is adamant on taking only the 3 steps measured with his feet. Bali agrees and donates the 3 steps. In the process of donating, Bali has to pour water from a pot called Kamandalam. Shukracharya, the guru of demons, recognizes Vamna as the incarnation of Lord Vishnu and advises Bali against the donation. As Bali does not listen to his advice, he takes the form of a bee and stops the flow of water from the Kamandalam. Vamana understands this and takes a grass and inserted it into the pipe of Kamandalam to clear the way for water. This grass injures the eyes of the bee, thereby forcing it out and allowing the water to flow. Since then, Shukracharya has only one eye. After accepting the donation, the small Brahmin boy Vamna increases his body size to such an extent that with 1 foot Vamna covers the earth and with other foot all the other worlds. He asks Bali where is it that he has to place the 3rd step. Bali immediately, without any hesitation, shows his head. Vamna pushes Bali to the Patal Lok and grants him a boon and stays with Bali as Vamna in Patal Lok. On viewing the king's extreme devotion and loyalty, Lord Vishnu promised to live alongside the king thereafter. The Hindu devotees still believe that Lord Vishnu resides in the home of King Bali, disguised as Vamna. People observing a fast on Parshva Ekadashi should refrain from eating food made from rice, grains and beans. Usually people prefer to observe a partial fast while some offer a complete vrat as well. If possible on this day, one should give a qualified person some yogurt mixed with rice as well as some silver and then remain awake throughout the night. This simple observance will free one of the material conditioning. One who observes the scared Parivartini Ekadashi in the way I have described will surely attain all kind of happiness in this world and the kingdom of Bhagwan in the thereafter. One who simply hears this narration with devotion will go to the abode of the Devtas and shine there like the moon itself. So powerful is observing of this Ekadashi. Indeed, this observance is powerful as the performance of 1,000 of Akshay Megh Yajnas. Hare Krishna.